welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you guys how to get your own intro. So first thing you want to do is type in Panzoid, and then you click on it. And then if you want your own music, and you already have it on your computer, then that would be easier. So let's say you find one that you like. So you click on it, you click Open in Clip Maker, and then as you already know, I already have my intro music. So um, an easy way for you to get your intro music is here. I'll show you guys. So what you want to do is first wait for it to load in, and then if you get a good one, it'll have multiple names. So then it'll be like, oh, so this one is like whatever your YouTuber name is, like K40 or whatever it is, and then you could just put it down. And oh my god, here we go. So every time you want to look at it from like the viewer's point of view, you just click the eye and then click. Whoa, that is loud. So yeah. So yeah, as you saw, that was the thing. So oh yeah. So here's if you want to have it like 30 seconds or whatever you want it to be, but and then this is like on your computer. So like, if you have an awesome gaming computer or something, you would have the higher one. Then if you have like a okay computer like mine, well more like Chromebook for me. So then you would go to the one that I'm on, and then if you want to have like your name in it, you want to go to the like 3D squarish figure, and then you're gonna look for text, and then see, so right here you want to go here, you click it, and then you see it says right here like Jaden, you see, and then you type enter, and then yeah, then you also like you can move it up and down and everything if you want. See, so you see the you could do it however you want and everything, like you see. See, that's how you get a new intro. It's not that hard either. Let's just move it down a little. So yeah, and then that's how you want. And then here's how you get your music, audio track file. And then there's also to download it. But yeah, I'll show you guys how to get like some music or something. So what you want to do is go to YouTube, like push tab, type in your favorite song or whatever. Like just type in YouTube, and then so yeah, like you could pick any. You could do intro music basically. So like you can have all these for like your intro and everything. But the thing about you picking top 10 music things is like it doesn't get all the videos. Like for instance, um see, And then, so like, let's say you want this song. What you do is double click, go in between, and then click SS. Okay, trust me. Then it's going to take you to like this weird website, and then it's called Save from the Net Online Video Download. So this is how you are able to like get stuff, and then see it process the link, and then it gets you the music. As you already know, I have mine. So yeah, I'm also gonna have like a brand new outro because the one that I had, it was too small for my screen. So yeah, that's why. And then so yeah, guys, that's gonna sum up our video for today, and that's how you make your own intro. So yeah, guys, that was my video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and guys, I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.
Honey, I'm a perfect 10. What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Oh, can we switch up all the rules?